It is simple. Self-honestly observe who and what I am in this moment, and break down each point of separation and apply self-forgiveness. And if I am life, I am nature, I am awareness, then that means these words I speak are one and equal with life, with nature, with awareness. These words I speak are life, are awareness, are nature. And if all that exists in this world is a product of us speaking words and experiencing ourselves from the starting point of separation, then the only way this world will change, the only way the horror in this world will stop, is through each of us recreating who we are, changing who we are, so that the words we speak are one and equal with who we are as nature, as life, as awareness, all one and equal in this world. So enjoy.